Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't have a plan and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful. And I'm so lucky to be yours. And you're taking me high. Ain't nobody like you. I'm not
Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm sure you can hear my dogs tap dancing around. Like I was saying, we are going to be doing something a little bit different, something we don't normally do on my channel. We are going to be tackling my junk drawers. Now, we have this stand right here that we have kind of like an entryway table. And let me tell you, all 4 of these drawers have become complete chaos. So we are going to go ahead and take each of those drawers out, empty them out completely, get some stuff put to where it actually belongs, and get rid of any of the junk. So let's get started. This video is extra special because it's in collaboration with my good friend Monica Masters here on YouTube. She is the sweetest mama of 3 beautiful girls and makes cleaning, organizing, and even some yummy recipe videos over on her channel. Today she is going to be cleaning out her junk drawers as well. So when you're done here, make sure you head over to her video for even more motivation. Make sure you let her know that I sent you. If you are here from Monica's channel, welcome. I am so happy that you are here. Please consider subscribing to join my growing YouTube family. Introduce yourself down below in the comments so I can get to know you too. To begin today, let's take a look at the mess that has become this set of drawers. As you can see in each of them, there is a bunch of junk just thrown into them with no rhyme or reason. So I want to get these drawers back to a place that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, and not just a place to throw anything and everything. Before we begin, I'm just going to take all 4 drawers out of this stand and set them out on the table. Now this stand was actually the very first project my husband and I refinished together. We actually found it on the side of the road and it was a kid's wardrobe, but we repurposed it into this like entryway stand. And to be honest, I could not be happier with it. It is one of my favorite projects we've ever done.
ain't nobody like you. We've been fighting forever. Gone over this 1,000 times before.
Now I'm just clearing absolutely everything out of each drawer. I am doing them one at a time just to keep it a little bit more manageable for my sanity, but I do want to start with a clean slate, so I am sort of sorting the items into categories as I'm taking them out of the drawer.
You say it's out of my reach, but I can't pretend no more. 'Cause for as long as I remember, it's been stuck inside my mind. You can't ask me to surrender when reaching for the dream keeps me alive. 'Cause it's keeping me alive.
I did the exact same thing to all 4 drawers, but honestly I didn't realize that my battery was low and my camera died.
Is better than the places I have been. Sunsets in my rearview mirror, a projection
you are a fan of cleaning motivation and organizing videos, then make sure you hit that big red subscribe button down below. It does so much for me and my channel, and it is absolutely free for you. Not to mention, I would love for you to be a part of my very small but growing YouTube community.
Lost outside of nowhere, a stormy rain tried to wash away the dream. Staff wanted scissors worn outside, and the diner's name is California Dreams. Hey, oh, for as long as I remember, it's been stuck inside my mind. You can't ask me to surrender when reaching for the dream keeps me alive.
So now all 4 drawers have been reorganized and the drawers are back in the stand. So now I have a huge mess on my table. So the next step is I'm going to return all the items that did not actually belong in there that we are keeping to their real homes. It is amazing how many screwdrivers that I found in here. It's really no wonder why my husband cannot ever find them when he needs them.
Met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind. I told him I want that great love, like standing in the middle of a bonfire. You don't know how you got there, but you hold tight, knowing that you can't get burned. Just tell me how we lost track of everything but each other. I honestly don't know. And tell me how we messed up, drifting away from each other. Didn't want to let you go. Cause we wanted different things, and I have to deal with it, but it's not easy. So tell me how to let go, cause you really seem to know how to carry on your own.
And here is a look at the finished drawers. The top drawer is all the things we reach for the most, like our keys, garage openers, wallets, and sunglasses, so that they're not just laying around on top of the table. The second drawer is for all of our batteries. The third is for pens, paper, tape, and scissors. And the final drawer is for all of our miscellaneous items. Overall, I am so happy that I got this checked off of my to-do list. It really needed to be done. End of today's video. I hope this gives you all the motivation to clean out your junk drawer. I am so glad I got this done. Thank you so much to my good friend Monica for inspiring me to do this. If you haven't already, please make sure you check out her channel. Her link is just down below for you, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye!
Met him on a sunny day in late July, and everything turned upside down. I almost lost track of time as weeks went by. I couldn't get him off my mind.